Well, there it is. Just a wild couple of bushes that grew here probably from seeds from them birds. Pooped out and ended up over here. Anyway, clean out some of these tomatoes and get all this wrapped up. It's been freezing hard every night for over a week now, so time to move on from this bush. Let's just get this in there. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Watch out. These ducks are dirty as can be. What are you doing, monsters? Rooster and the ducks taking care of just about everything. All the orange stuff, anyway. Come on, you two. Get down there and have at it. And those two will come and finish up all the green stuff over there nibbling on the straw. And Lala back there hiding out. I don't know if you can see her. I can put fresh water in here and in about 30 seconds those ducks dirty it. It's crazy. Try to give these birds some special treatment because the ducks will eat all these yellow and orange tomatoes quickly. Come on, baby. What are you afraid of? Oh well. Someone gobble it down. Oh, I lost it. They're gonna steal it from you. They're gonna steal it from you. Let's see if Lala wants one. Lala, you want something? She's been kind of hiding out over here all day. I don't know why. Here, Lala. She's not liking it. Not happy at all. Hey, you get out of here. You're annoying. So are you. You guys just dirty all the water and trash everything out. Here. She'll eat it. She'll eat it. She'll eat it. Hurry up before the duck jumps up here and gets it from you. You want any more? Oop, you lost it. You lost it, little giddy girl.